How to find a professional with Toskie. Toskie helps you to find almost all professionals from your neighborhood. Let's see few examples in this video. Let's find a doctor. Tap on search. Choose one. Then you can directly contact through call, WhatsApp, messages. Similarly, now search makeup artist and get the results. Then you can directly contact through call, WhatsApp, messages. Repeat the same process for any profession you need and get the work done through Toskie. Toskie connects all individuals to neighborhood professionals. Search your needy professionals in Toskie. Thank you.